Have you ever sneezed and someone said, "God bless you"? But why? Is it just a polite habit, or is there a shocking history behind it? The phrase "God bless you" goes all the way back to ancient Rome. During the plague of Justinian, sneezing was believed to be a sign of infection. Pope Gregory I ordered people to say, "God bless you" to protect the sick. Another theory? People believed sneezing could make your soul escape. Many cultures thought a sneeze was a moment of weakness, where evil spirits could enter your body. So saying "God bless you" was a way to protect your soul. Today, people don't believe sneezing is a plague warning or a soul escape. Now, saying "God bless you" is just a polite way of acknowledging someone's sneeze. Now that you know the history, what do people say after a sneeze in your country? Comment below and let's compare traditions. And don't forget to like and follow for more cool history facts.